Hello, my lover. Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. Give this video a thumbs up for our sponsors, ILikeHair. Listen, I like hair too because I like hair that looks like my hair, and I have to say this wig resembles my hair more than any wig that I have ever used did before in the history of the world, not just the city but the world. Okay, and I'm so excited to share this with you. The first thing that I'm going to do is, of course, shampoo the hair. Okay, I've already shampooed and conditioned the hair. It dried overnight under a hooded dryer, and now I am going to go ahead and round brush the hair. Normally I round brush hair when it is wet, but I was being lazy and this hair is no longer attached to a human. So yeah, now the reason that I am going to go ahead and round brush is to give it a little bit of body, because I want to keep this hair in as much of its natural texture as possible. Okay, as possible. So that is what I'm doing right now. And with this round brush, I am doing the same thing that most people would do with a press and comb, and that is simply using the heat from the blow dryer and the pressure of the air and the focuser and the round brush, I'm sorry, I can't talk, to go ahead and lay down not the hairline, but wherever my parting is, because in this video, again, I want to keep this hairline as natural as possible, because I am not a baby hair girl. Like, that's not my thing. And I'll do edge control if I have to, but I'm not really an edge control girl either. So I'm so in love with this wig because it looks like my hair looks on a day-to-day. Because if you look through my channel, most of my videos, even when my hair is out, you will notice that I do not have edge control on, nor am I pressed about my edges looking baby haired. It's just not a thing for me, you know. And there's nothing wrong with that if that's what you want to do, but I love that wigs are now being constructed to the point that you don't have to do that at all. You can literally just put this wig on, style it the way you see fit, and keep it moving. All right, and you're not worried about the baby hairs being laid down and staying in position all throughout the day, because your hair is going to do what your natural hair normally does. So to me, this is a great wig for somebody who is growing their hair out, and then sometimes you just want to take a break really quick in between having your hair out, your natural hair, and just wearing a unit of some kind. This is a great one to have, because boo, when I tell you, especially if you get like a length that's closer to your natural length, then nobody will know the difference. Like, how are they gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. So I think that this is an amazing addition for every woman to have. If you want to get your hands on this, make sure you check all of the links in the description box below to get your hands on one, right? Any length, but make sure you check that description box, because there may be a code there for you. All right, love you guys so much. Let me know what you think in the comments, right? Let's talk in the comments, because I want to know, like, is it just me, or is this what the girls have been waiting for? Have the girls been waiting for a unit that looks like their hair, so people can stop saying we're trying to look like other people? Ooh, yes. low-key kind of floored. Like,
actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn and learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. It doesn't make sense that somebody else got all of the praise when you did the same thing. It doesn't feel real when they all say it's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever.
Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.